Stick around until the end because we have an epic project that I've never seen anyone do with a laser. So that one will be worth the wait. What's up, you guys? Today we are working on something new and exciting. I cannot wait to share this project with you guys. Check it out. We received this laser engraver and we are gonna do some absolutely epic stuff with it. So stay tuned for more. All right, this is how it comes straight from the box. These are all the components. So now we are going to follow the manuals and set everything up. So let's go. And just like that, we're ready to roll. Just kidding, if only it were that fast in real life. So I'm gonna take a second while you watch the setup to go over the key features, functions, and capabilities of this machine. Atezr's 24-aught laser module provides high-strength cutting for a wide variety of different materials. The Atezr laser engraver has a maximum speed of 54,000 millimeters per minute, which improves productivity and reduces work time. The laser has an autofocus feature that automatically adjusts itself to the correct height, which makes positioning the laser much easier and also much more accurate and intuitive. With Atezr's power recovery mode, the laser is capable of starting where it left off if there is a power failure. And with the touchscreen display, you can use the machine offline. And here are a few other notable features of the Atezr laser engraver. It's got a 32-bit motherboard, an LED output display, an intelligent air assist system that's adjustable through light burn, and multiple safety features. So the setup took us about 30 minutes, so not too bad. They have an installation video that you can follow along, which makes it pretty straightforward and very helpful when going to set up the laser. Alright, so now that everything is set up, we are good to go. We have some pretty unique things planned, so stay tuned to see what we do with the Atezr laser. Okay, first up, we are engraving and cutting a keychain with one of my favorite sayings, find joy in the journey. And that's something I try to do in my life. This is just a quick little project to get a feel for the laser and make sure everything is working correctly before we move on to the more unique projects. Okay, we are about to take our barbecues to the next level. Wait until you see why. If you're like, is that a hamburger bun? You are correct. I saw some people do this with cookies also, so apparently there's several food items you can use with the laser. Check this out. Look at this. This came out so good. And it smelled really good too as it was working. It smelled like a bakery in here. Wow, that's super neat. It's getting late, as you can see. The sun is setting. So we're gonna call it a night and get back at it tomorrow. Hello. Hello. What's up? We are back at it with the Atezr laser. And today we are going to be doing some really unique things with the laser, and I cannot wait to show you and share it with you all. So, a little bit cloudy today, but we are gonna make it work. So, as you saw previously, we set up the laser and did some tests and whatnot, and now we are just gonna jump right in to the super creative stuff, and I can't wait to try some of the ideas that we have and see how they play out. Stick around until the end because we have an epic project that I've never seen anyone do with a laser. So that one will be worth the wait. Okay, for the next project with the Atezr laser, we are gonna do something really unique that I really have not seen. We are gonna engrave a leaf and see what that does. So that's why we have like a bunch, because we're not sure if it's gonna work, and we want to do a couple different tests between like doing a picture, doing some words, everything like that before we do some final ones. So we're gonna mess around with these SLAB leaves and see how that turns out. Okay, so as you see, the leaf worked pretty well for our first test. We lightly engraved it, and yeah, it turned out pretty cool.
What's cool with the leaf is like you can keep it, you know, in a book or in a frame and see it like changing color, but the engraving will stay. So I think it's really sweet.
Yeah, true. So now we are going to try to engrave a photo on another leaf. So we have this picture of me, and because it's the only one I can find on my computer without connecting my hard drive, which is not here. So we're gonna try on that leaf to engrave this picture and see how it goes. Okay, I wanted to try a darker image. Old picture of me and Viant from one of our vacations in California. So we're gonna try that on a new leaf. Okie dokie, we have got these acrylic sheets, one green, one yellow. And since we already did one in yellow, we are gonna try a different design for a phone stand or a tablet stand with the green one over there. So here's the design we got. And we're just gonna cut it out, and then we'll have another stand for our phones or iPad or whatever. One thing that's different about this laser that I haven't seen before is it has an autofocus setting that automatically adjusts to the thickness of what you're working on. So right now, it's doing it right now. It's a little setting that you have to put in the parameters, autofocus, and it'll automatically do it so you don't even have to touch anything. Okay, now for the most exciting part, in my opinion. I am very much looking forward to doing this little project. So, drum roll. We are going to engrave our concrete slab with the laser engraver. So, we're gonna do a little compass design because I don't know, we both think that that's just kind of a cool thing to have on the floor. So we're just gonna engrave a compass where Viant is. So right now he's marking kind of like the crosshairs of where we'll have to set up the machine. And yeah, give it a little try and see how it goes. All right, so before we jump and do the concrete, I have a vector file that I'm not sure the right settings to use for it. So what we're gonna do is run some tests on this little slice of wood right here. Make sure it's what we want before we bring it over to the slab to do the slab. So that's the plan. Okay, this came out so good. So good.
So to don't make any mistake, I put a S here for the south when we position into the concrete. So we know. Wow, that looks so good.
Yeah, wow. Okay, so now we got the design nailed down. It's good. It's exactly what we want. So great. So now we are just gonna take the machine over to the slab, set it up, and hope that it goes well. Cool. It's my little station because we don't have anything better. Okay, so activate. 3, 2, 1. Working! Look at that. Of course, all my camera batteries died while filming, but as you can see, it turned out great. This would be really cool to do on pavers or even tiles. So many possibilities. The detail is amazing and the design came out super clean and crisp. Love it! I can't wait to start decorating our house because we have so many ideas for the laser. Well, we sure dug deep into our creativity corner of our brain for this video. The Atezr laser is really cool and performed really well for everything that we used it for. Don't forget to click the exclusive link in the description to pick up an Atezr laser engraver and flex your creativity. Also, special thank you to Atezr for sponsoring this video. Help support our channel by leaving a comment, liking, and sharing this video. As always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with our projects and adventures on the ranch. We put out new videos every Saturday and sometimes during the week, so be sure to subscribe and hit the notification button so you don't miss any. Okay, bye.